dwe mar ariyo higa gana ariyo prariyo kod auchiel machiegni weche manyien e kidieny endi mar machiegni pacho kama waikoni mathoth kama oting'o kanyendo jotend ODM makoro oseyo jatend piny Kenya machon moluor Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta magiyango ni makoro kelo tungni e ODM e kinde ma jagoro mar ODM bende nyogolo kapisi onogo Edwin Sifuna oyudo fuong'ruok ka jatend piny omedo dhi nyime kod yawo chenro geko mag nyota ne rowere ne mago kaachiel kod mamoko mathoth arwakini machiegni nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula ka jaloko marwa nyadendi Bella Achieng' ka weche geke bende nyalo luwo kokalo e mbui magwa mag tudruok manindo Kala TV Live e Facebook, X, YouTube kaachiel kod TikTok. Wachako kama yudo ne Edwin Sifuna ma en senete kaunti ma Nairobi koro yudo fuong'ruok matin maendi en bang' aput manono ywaruok e duond buche mag siasa chungo ODM mar mondo mi koro kik thiche oko nyaka chop bura mabende koro chwale nyima put machalo kamano endo bi winji kendo yale. Edwin Sifuna ne oyango kanyendo ni ne othiche oko ka ok onyise ketho mabende koro ne omiyo jotend ODM ogole oko e lemo machalo kamano endo odiochieng' endo manyoro ka otwa kawuono ni endi kod jofwambo. Edwin Sifuna oyango ni pod en jagoro mar duond buch siasa nendo mar ODM kendo ok onyal wuok e lemo machalo kamano endo e yor nendo ma ok oluwore kod chike. E kinde onogo oyango ni ywaruok mosebedo ka koro kwake e duond buch siasa nendo en kaluwore ni otamore kanyendo mar siro jatend piny Kenya lwedo moluor William Samoei Ruto kendo wero tuta ma jotelo mamoko e duond buch siasa nendo osebedo ka wero. Korka kore jaod bura nendo ma Embakasi East Babu Owino yango ni lweny koro kochakore duond buch siasa nendo kama yango ni pod gibiro medo chung' ne ratich oganda mapacho kendi kendo ok bibuogi e yo moro amora.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I want to state that the illegal removal of Sifuna from office is not taken on a light note by this team, and I want to condemn the leaders who did this. We know what Baba stood for. Baba stood for justice. Baba stood for fair hearing and trial. And the meeting that took place in Mombasa was an illegal meeting. That was a kangaroo meeting that was set up to remove the current Secretary General of ODM, Edwin Sifuna, from office. I want to state that these leaders were seen at one point in Mombasa taking sacred oath to uphold and protect the party constitution, the same constitution that they are violating. There was no proper procedure that was followed. And I want to state that there is no way that illegal office holders can remove a legal office holder, SecGen, from office. Lastly, I want to state that the only mistake Sifuna committed and the only mistakes that we are committing is to fight for the downtrodden, to fight for the forgotten in this society, to fight for the less privileged in Kenya, to fight for jobs to be given to our youth, to fight for against the high cost of living that is affecting Kenyans in this nation. These are the only crimes that we are committing. And I want to assure you that we are going to fight. The war has been done, the war has been declared, a line has been drawn. If you are on our side, you are on our side. If you are on the other side, fight on the other side. But this is not going to stop anytime soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much, members of the Fourth Estate, my colleagues here. The second casualty of this coup was removed as the Deputy Organizing Secretary via a WhatsApp message. You know very well that our party constitution, to remove a NEC member, it must be a resolution of the NEC. I was removed even before the NEC met. And I'm elected member of parliament on ODM ticket twice from a very volatile, extremely non-ODM zone. From Westland to the border of Malaba, the only member of parliament on ODM is Caleb Amis. And this is a person the ODM has...
That this action is illegal and procedural and a blatant violation of the ODM constitution as well as the principles of natural justice. At no time have I been informed of any allegations against me, be they of indiscipline, insubordination, or incompetence in the execution of my duties as the Secretary General. Neither have I been invited to respond to any complaints in and out of the party on any matter that would constitute grounds for removal of a Secretary General. Consequently, no lawful organ of the party has invited me to any hearing. Indeed, as far as internal differences in opinion go, my only cry is that I have refused and I oppose any plans and schemes within the party to support President William Ruto's re-election, because I have held and continue to hold the firm position that this country cannot afford another 5 years of this expensive, divisive, incompetent, and disastrous Ruto misadventure. Kleptocracy is not a philosophy that an entire nation can give a second chance. This month marks the beginning of my 9th year as SG of ODM. I am the longest serving individual in that position. To serve that long at the feet of the enigmatic Raila Odinga needed one to summon all reservoirs of wisdom from all possible sources, but most importantly, to remain a true and loyal student of the great icon. Even in the current circumstances, I would never betray the ideals and principles of my late party leader. I have served this party with loyalty, diligence, and unwavering commitment because I had a leader in Raila who nurtured young people and young leaders and knew how to bring competing interests and egos into one functional movement. Together, we have defended the Constitution, strengthened internal party structures, and safeguarded the voice of millions of Kenyans who believe in social justice and accountable leadership. My record speaks for itself, and it always will. It is in public domain that my opposition to the party's dalliance with Ruto started long before the Right Honorable Raila passed on. He understood my reasons and accommodated them. It is also a known fact that regardless of what political deals Raila struck with different regimes, he would never have allowed his beloved party to be turned into a mere appendage of State House, where decisions are rubber-stamped after instructions are received from the regime. It is painful to note that sections of the party continue to desecrate the legacy and memory of Raila by turning this party into a theater of the illegal. Just last week, on 3rd February, a Gazette notice was released purporting to legitimize the recent changes in party leadership, with the rider asking for public input within 7 days, even though the stated date had lapsed by 3 weeks. Essentially, those who now purport to run the party are aware that, for instance, the new party leader was installed unprocedural and unconstitutional. These shortcuts and illegal edicts reflect the bad manners that progressive institutions and individuals pick up as soon as they get cozy with.
Korka kore gavana county nendo Masia okele James Bob Bagre orengo to koro onyiso jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto mar mondo mi owere kod duond buch siasa nendo mar ODM ka oyango ni tungni masani kod nende duond buch siasa nendo okele kod jatend piny oyango ni kinde ka kinde osebedo ka onyiso jatend piny mar mondo mi kik neg duond buche siasa mathoth e pacho kaendi ka oyango ni jatend piny ma koro donjore kod dwaro mar mondo mi koro rum piny duond buch siasa nendo mar ODM.
In which Edwin Sifuna was the Secretary General, there is no single moment that Raila Odinga rebuked or criticized Edwin Sifuna in public in the discharge of his functions as Secretary General. I shudder to think that mere minions, people who have got no legitimacy in the entire country, can dare talk about Edwin Sifuna. Sifuna speaks for the party, and even today, Edwin Sifuna is speaking for the party. My first encounter with President Ruto when he was elected as president was in a village in Ugenya, some place called Orenga, and I told him, and if you watch the speeches I've made where President Ruto is, I have implored him not to kill political parties, because I could see this coming. that problem in ODM, and I like what Senator Ososi has said, the problem in ODM is President Ruto. We are asking President Ruto to let ODM go, let ODM alone. He has not taken it hostage. He is in possession of the party called ODM. He is convening meetings of organs of ODM, of course excluding Honorable Sifuna and Honorable Ososi. There are meetings that have taken place in Kilgoris, and the ones in State House are countless. Please, please, leave ODM alone.
Jatend kweth manoke od bura mamalo mabende en jaod bura Masuna East Junet Mohamed owuok tung mosuo koda jatend piny Kenya machon moluoro Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ma oyango ni makoro donjore koda duond buch siasa nendo mar ODM kendo pogo jotelo ka otwag kinde romo nindo motisi ni Linda Ground ma jotend ODM koro ne obago kanyendo e counties mag Lamu kaachiel koda Taita Taveta. Junet Mohamed oyango ni jatend piny machon koro dwaro mar mondo ong'wan duond buch siasa nendo kendo kel pogruok kind jotelo ka oyango ni ODM nyocha nosewene riwruog siasa mar Azimio la Umoja kendo kawe kaachiel koda Jubilee mar mondo mi orome ma ok ni koro odonjore koda duond buch siasa nendo mar ODM.
Vile mmeona baba alituacha, kuna masukosuko ndani ya chama chetu. Kuna wengine wanaruka, wanaenda hivi, wanaenda vile. Shida tuko naye ndani ya ODM. Nataka kusema leo nikiwa hapa Lamu. Shida tuko naye ndani ya chama chetu sio mambo ya broad based, sio mambo ya serikali ya broad based, sio mambo ya Ruto. Shida tuko naye kwa chama chetu ni yule former president ambaye anaitwa Uhuru Kenyatta. Huyu ndio anaharibu chama yetu. Yule anaharibu chama ya ODM sio William Ruto, sio broad based. Yule anaharibu chama ya ODM. Nataka niseme hapa nikiwa Lamu County hapa ni ya kwamba ni yule rais mstaafu ambaye anaitwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Tunataka kuomba yeye tukiwa hapa Lamu, tafadhali waachana na chama chetu. Uko na Jubilee, uko na chama yako, umekataa kustaafu, umebaki kama mwenyekiti ya hiyo chama, kama party leader, uko na project yako inaitwa Matiangi, tafadhali fanya kazi yako. Sisi hatuache tupambane na hali yetu. Tuliambia yeye atusaidie tukue rais. Baba kuwe rais ya Kenya uchaguzi uliopita. Alishindwa ama kushindwa? Si Uhuru alishindwa kufanya baba rais? Atupatie amani. Atupatie amani. Yeye ndio nakoroga hii chama yetu. Hii
Korga kora jakom mar ODM bende ni gavana kaunti nogo Homabay Gladys Atieno Nyasuno wanga to yango ni duond buch siasa mar ODM ngang' ok bi chak dong' e kwetho nogo makwedo piny owacho bang' yiero nendo mabiro ka oyango ni gidhi loso piny owacho ka giriwore kod duond buch siasa nendo mar UDA. Oyango ni gidhi chako twak kendo gisechiwo thuolo ne ogai margi Laktar Oburu Oginga mar mondo mi ochak twak kod jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto kendo oyang ni gilemo giko ma gidhi yudo kaka ODM kaachiel bende koda ber mamoko mathoth moyango ni oganda jo Kenya dhi yudo kuom mano endo gintiere piny owacho kendo gichak gidog gi kweth makwedo piny owacho.
Chama cha opposition lazima ODM ndio itaunda serikali 2027 ama iungane na zile chama ambazo zitaunda serikali 2027. Na tumempea nafasi kiongozi wetu Dr. Oburu Oginga Odinga aanze mazungumzo na vyama ambao tuko nao na fikira sawa, tukianza na UDA ambao tuko nao katika hii broad based government. Na tumesema ya kwamba tukienda katika ile meza ya negotiation tutanegotiate kuona ya kwamba watu wetu wa chama cha ODM wakianzia na watu wa Pwani na watu wa Lamu wamekuwa kipao ya mbele katika ile serikali ambayo itakuwa hapo mwaka ujao. Na tuko na Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir na tuko na ndugu wetu Hassan Ali Joho ambaye tayari yako katika serikali ya broad based government. Lakini hatutazungumzia nyadhifa peke yake. Tutazungumzia yale maneno ambayo yanahusu watu wa Pwani na watu wa Lamu. Kuanzia mambo ya security, kuanzia mambo ya kazi kwa vijana, kuelekea mambo ya mashamba ya watu wa Lamu.
Jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto odiochieng' ma kawuono ne otero chenro eko mag nyota manindo mar chiwo omenda ne rowere kaunti nogo ma Mandera nyandwat mar piny Kenya. Ka otwak e kinde ma kama nindo yango ni rowere maromo kanyo 820 gin mago eko madhi konyore kaluwore kod omenda ma kamano ma koro gidhi yawo godo ni mopogore opogore ka e kinde nogo bende notiyo kod thuolo mar seyo kanyindo jotelo makwero piny owacho mare kamoting'o machon e jalupne Rigathi Gachagua mana kaka jafwambo mar Ofelogo Bliza leronwa.
Jatend piny owacho mane loso kawuono e alap tuke ma Mandera e kaunti ma Mandera e kinde chenro mar dhi nyime gi pogo omenda mag siro rawere mong'ere ni nyota okoni lek mare neno ni kwan rawere maromo 820 obiro yudo omenda go kendo konyore godo e chuogo thuolo mag tije giwegi.
Tumepanga program hii ya kuhakikisha kwamba wale vijana ambao hawajapata nafasi ya kufanya ajira ama kupata ajira pia wanapata nafasi ya kufanya biashara. Katika hii program ya nyota, vijana 820 watafaidika kupitia hii program. Wale wameketi hapa ni vijana 2540. Kufikia leo tutakuwa tumefikia vijana 1117. By the time I finish in Wajir this evening, tutakuwa tumefikia vijana 1120 na pesa ya kufanya biashara. Tutakuwa na vijana wengine ambao tutawaweka katika program ya recognition of prior learning. Tutakuwa na vijana wengine ambao tutawaongeza katika program ya skills ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba they get on the job experience, na baadaye tutawapatia certificates waweze kujumuika na wenzao kufanya kazi katika taifa letu.
Kinde nyasi mar chiwo omenda ma kamago okoni nitiere moko kuom jotelo moseduoko piny Kenya chien kolero ni kata en bende noseriembogi e tich wirani ne gionge kod lony moromo. Kinde chien noduogo fwenyo ni jotelogo bende yande oseriembe apise mane gimako kaluwore ni gitudogi kod mibadhi.
Nilisikia watu wengine hapo, wengine nimewafukuza kazi kwa sababu ya kuzembea na kwa sababu ya incompetence. Wengine wamefukuzwa kwa sababu waliiba pesa ya relief. Wengine walifukuzwa kwa sababu ya kuiba mahindi ya watu ambao wako na njaa. Wengine walifukuzwa kwa mambo yao ya ufisadi. Ati sasa wameenda kusanyana pale ati wanajaribu kunipatia lecture. Mimi nataka niwaambie nyinyi, wachaneni na hii maneno, hamuelewi, hamuna akili ya kutosha kufikiria vile hawa vijana wanaweza kusomeshwa, wanaweza kupangwa na ajira na wanaweza kupangwa na biashara.
Onyero moko kuom jotelo e kweth siasa mabaro kod telo mare kokoni jotelo go ok dwar mondo oganda jo Kenya oyud dongruok maromre, gino mokoni okobiye.
Na hawa wangwana wanashikwa na hamaki na kisirani wakisikia nimekuja Northern Kenya. Sijui wako na shida gani na watu wa Northern Kenya. Nikienda Kisumu hawasemi, nikienda Eldoret hawasemi, nikienda Central hawasemi, nikienda Coast hawasemi. Nikikuja Northern Kenya wanaingia kwa press conference kusema sijui nini, sijui nini. Nyinyi ama namagani my friends, mnasema tuendelee. And I want to tell all the people of Kenya, Kenya can only move forward if we get everybody, every region, every community, people of all religions, people from all societies to move together as one. That is how this country is going to move into the future. And I am determined to make sure that it happens. Nyinyi ambao mumezoea chuki, mumezoea ukabila, mumezoea ubaguzi, mimi nataka niwaeleze muda wenu umekwisha. Kenya inatembea sasa pamoja, hakuna ubaguzi tena, hakuna ukabila tena, mambo ya chuki hatuna nayo, tunataka tutembee kama wa Kenya.
Otieko kokwayo oganda e kaunti ma Mandera mondo obed e twech achiel gi piny owacho ene ni gikedo kod jonjore mag Al-Shabab mar ne ni kaunti no obedo kod kwe kendo nengo ngima obedo mayot ne oganda makono.
Nyinyi na waomba na viongozi wa Mandera, sisi wote tuwe ni watu ambao tutapigana na Al-Shabab. Hawa Al-Shabab ni watu bure. Mimi nataka niwaeleze, mimi na nyinyi tutaungana, serikali ya Kenya tutashirikiana, nyinyi mtusaidie tuweze kukabiliana na wahuni na magaidi, ndio Mandera hii iendelee na maendeleo, iendelee na biashara, ndio Mandera ikue na isaidie kuchangia katika uchumi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Nyinyi mmesikia vile PS wangu amesema. PS amesema Mandera County ndio ilikuwa county number 1 kwa kupanga mambo hii ya nyota. Mimi sikujua nyinyi watu wa Mandera ni wafanyabiashara sugu sana. Yani inasemekana ya kwamba wakati ilisemekana ni biashara, ati iko pesa. Watu wa Mandera waliamka mapema na asubuhi. Si ndio? Kumaanisha nyinyi mnaelewa mambo ya senti, si ndio? Sasa nyinyi number 1 country in Kenya. Nafikiri number 2 ni Nyeri, lakini number 1 ni nyinyi. So nyinyi mmefanya kazi mzuri. Mimi nataka niwahakikishia kwamba tutashirikiana na nyinyi, and that is why we must make it easier for you to do business with the rest of Kenya and with our neighbors.
Fellow Goblis, Kala TV.
Gilipot maranyawado Fellow Goblis na endele makelo yoyo mokonge kidini ndi marama chigni pacho kwa mano ndo mairi manakete Kala TV udwogo bang nyere machoka.
It's enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, Tia.
Tok yudo thuolo mar ng'eyo mathoth kowuok kuom jopuonjewa e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, warwaki kod chenro mamit molosi mana ne in iwuon mar kweyo pachi kaka nyathi. Chenro mar bang' sikul chakore saa 10:30 mamidhiambo nyaka saa 11 mamidhiambo, kama iyude sigana, wende manyasani kaachiel kod machon, kaachiel kod miel motimo cathedral ma bende mori kaka nyathi. Bang' skul, chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV, machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Get ready to elevate your business and any other commercials when you advertise with us. We are not just a channel. We are your gateway to the peak, for we give you the precision and desire to your commercials. Let us be your partner in success, broadcasting your message to thousands of our viewers. Contact Kala TV today and let's make the magic together.
It's enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, Tia.
Tok yudo thuolo mar ng'eyo mathoth kowuok kuom jopuonjewa e sikunde ka iduogo pacho, warwaki kod chenro mamit molosi mana ne in iwuon mar kweyo pachi kaka nyathi. Chenro mar bang' sikul chakore saa 10:30 mamidhiambo nyaka saa 11 mamidhiambo, kama iyude sigana, wende manyasani kaachiel kod machon, kaachiel kod miel motimo cathedral ma bende mori kaka nyathi. Bang' skul, chenro manigi mor lilo ne nyithindo duto. Kala TV, machiegni pacho ma e odwa.
Machiegni kendo moko kuom jotelo mag ODM mawuok e kaunti no ma Mombasa opogore paro kod jowetegi manyogolo oko Edwin Sifuna kaka jagoro margi maduong' ka giwacho ni mano endo koro dhi miyo pogruok medo bedo e duond bucha senendo mar ODM. Ka gitwak kod jofwambo giyango ni e kinde no endo nitiere jotelo moko ma bende nosebedo kane pogore paro kod moluor Raila Odinga, to Raila Odinga ne ok oriembogi e lemo ma gintiere e duond buch siasa nogo, ka giyango ni onge kaka jotelo moko manok kende nyalo choko bura kendo thicho oko Edwin Sifuna. Gikwayo johera mag Raila Odinga mar mondo mi koro wuog oko kendo ne ni gireso duond buch siasa nendo mar ODM mar mondo mi kik podhi.
ODM. Linda mwananchi. ODM. Linda mwananchi. Kwa majina mimi naitwa John Gichana, commonly known as Obonyo Gichana. Nataka kuongea kama a member of ODM, wale marafiki ambao ni eminent leaders ambao walipigania demokrasia na baba Raila Amolo Odinga. waingilie kati. We want a truce. We want a reconciliation. Hatutaki chungwa iweze kugawanyika mara tatu. Tunaomba chungwa iweze kuwa intact. Even when we want to negotiate with other parties ama coalitions, we want to go as a team. Hatutaki kuwa na watu wanne ambao wanakaa kwa boardroom wanaamua Sifuna aende. They have also been having their own contrary opinion, even when Papa was alive, lakini they were never removed from the party. One time, Simbarati alipinga Raila kama presidential candidate, we remember. Na Baba hakusema Simbarati atolewe kwa chama kwa sababu ameamua kusimama against him, ama with him as a presidential candidate. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba, najua courts zitafanya kazi, lakini as the courts do their work, nataka kuomba eminent leaders of the friends of Raila waingilie kati. We are very sober mind people, wazee waingilie kati, waongee na wearing parties within our party so that we can have a united Jungwa going to the next election. Na nataka ku address particularly our President Ruto. All this that is happening in our party, all fingers are pointing at you. Naomba tafadhali uachane na chungwa. Concentrate on UDA affairs. If you want our support, we will support you if you convince us. But we cannot allow you to corrupt a few leaders within the party and then say ODM must come to an end. No, ODM is there to stay. It's a movement.
Raila tangu akufe mpaka leo ni 3 months pekee.
Iwechege kuma mokeni jalupu gavana i county Onogo Kakamega Ayub Sabula koro nyiso tendwa busi siasa mar ODM mar Murumio were koda tim mar sawi jotelo to kar mane indo ginene jotelo makoro kudwar riwo jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto lwedo to koro gigoli lemo mopogore ka otwake gwenge kumag Navaholo e county Onogo oyango ni duond busi siasa mar UDA ka achiel koda ODM osewinjore mane indo mar biro neno ni jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto oyier kendo e tielo mar ariyo miyo jotelo mapod tudore koda jatend piny Kenya machon moluor Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta tungo duond busi siasa nendo mar ODM nyaka koro neni oket tenge kendo yango ni UDA oikore mar mondo mi oganda mathoth koro med donjoe mar mondo mi jatend piny oyud thuolo machielo mar tayo piny Kenya.
Tunajua wale vijana ambao wakitumiwa na Mheshimiwa Daktari President Uhuru Kenyatta, wengine wamefukuzwa kwa chama jana, wameanza kulialia. Tumewaambia wachaneni na maneno ya Uhuru. Uhuru is a retired president. Tuache William Samoei Ruto afanye kazi. Silisema last week. Yes. More evidence. Yes. Wale wanafanya Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta. Waondolewe ODM wapotee. Kwa sababu nataka kushika ODM na sisi tujipange UDA kura zote tupatie William Samoei. Sasa kama uko ODM na unafuata Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, wewe hama enda DCP. Tunataka ODM iwe clean. Tunataka UDA iwe clean. Tukishikana hapo juu, Ruto apate kura za Waluya na jamii ya Wateso na jamii ya Wakalenjin na Western 2.6 million. Ili tupagei tukiwa kwa meza tuwe ndani ya serikali. Tuko tayari? Sasa ile wakina Zoti, wakina Sifuna, ile watu wa Uhuru waende DCP. Watoke ODM, nataka ODM iwe clean, hii UDA iwe clean, tushikane hapo juu, tupatie kura zote William Samoei. Unaongea ubaya kweli? Mimi mtoto
my colleagues wa headquarters. Simejifunza kila kitu.
Ruto.
Tunataka viti zote viongozi wetu wa polling center mchague viongozi.
Gikanyo bende makele giko mar miyo weche manyien kidieny ndi mar machiegni pacho watude sa 3 wang'e e kidieny Onogo mar ng'endo weche makelo ne weche mamoko mathoth kaka gimedo molo no mesa marwa mar kawo weche manyien kendo kamano kuom ne bedo koda chakruok nyaka giko. Jinga Joash Odhiambo Mitola ka jaloko marwa en nyadendi Bella Achieng' ka weche gik mirepodi nyalo luwo achiel ka okale mbui mago mag tudruok manindo Kara TV Live, Facebook, X, YouTube kaachiel kod TikTok. Koriti masani.